There is no forex trader who don't want to know where the success of forex trading is hidden. I say again, every forex trader constantly try to understand where is the success of forex trading. Yes, you hear about the right thing. There is no forex trader who don't face any loss in forex. Though anyone have no loss, he can't say that he will not face any loss in future. In forex, everyone can face loss, less or much. But a question always arises in the mind of every forex trader, that is, where is hidden the success of forex? Okay, welcome to ForexVD. I am an official member of ForexVD. I will request all of those who are watching the video, obviously watch this video from first to last with some patience. I hope it will be helpful to you. After a short intro, there will be 7 tips for you. If you can maintain these top 7 tips, I can obviously say if you can't find still any success in forex, these tips will obviously help you. Let's go. The first one is make good analysis. If you want to be successful in forex, you have to know by good analysis. That means the strategy which you are following, according to this strategy, you have to analyze it with sharply and unerringly. The more you analyze, the more you think, or the more you learn, the more good strategy you can build up. Now a question may come in your mind that how can you make a good strategy? The first and last topic is you have to understand about the technical and fundamental analysis. If you can't build up any special strategy, then you can do easily the technical analysis. That means with support, resistance, candlesticks, trend, it can make a simple strategy. For this, at first the thing which you need, this is your patience and perseverance. Today you follow a strategy, tomorrow another one strategy, the day after tomorrow another one strategy, like this. If you want to build up your forex career, then no success will come in your forex career. Basically, the mistake which is done by every forex trader, that is running after the strategy. Like you make one strategy or you follow a strategy, but today you do trade and profit both, tomorrow you will do the same trade and profit, the day after tomorrow you will face loss, and after that tomorrow you will face loss too. Then you will think this strategy may not work. After the struggle of so many days, the strategy that you have made, just because of this thought, you throw this strategy. You don't want to know about the mistake of your strategy. Because of this, you are running after every day, every week, every month, new strategy and face loss in your forex career. Because of that, to do success in forex, the first tips is build a good strategy and do your analysis properly. The more you analyze with market, the more you try, the more good or beautiful organized. Every day you want to know new thing. Obviously, your small strategy will turn into a bigger support for you. The main thing is make a good practice on your strategy, do more analysis, know about more things, then one day your prediction about the market movement will be very easily successful. Second, maintain proper money management. This point is very important for every forex trader. The people who are in forex may hear the money management at least one time, but I say about the money management easily. This can be done so easily like that. Money management is that kind of subject which if you can't maintain, you will not be able to exit in forex ever. Money management is like you have $100, so your lot size will be about 0.01. I say again, if your balance is about $100, in that case your lot size will be about 0.01. In that case, if your balance is $300, your lot size will be about 0.03, and your balance is about $500, your lot size will be about 0.05. Basically, we maintain money management like that, but money management depends on other subject, and this is your risk ratio. I will try to give a full video about the risk ratio. Maintain the risk ratio on every trade. These are very important. I say again about the most important part of money management is risk ratio, but definitely you have to know if your balance is about $100, in that case you have to trade with 0.01 lot, and you have to hold definitely a correct amount of SL and TP. I have already said in one of my previous video, that maximum profit ratio must be about 1:3. I say again, your every trade's maximum ratio must be about 1:3. I can say surely success will come definitely one day. You can see on your screen that I create a video that is how you can recover your huge amount of loss with one trade by maintaining 1:3 profit ratio. Here these tips and technique are told, so those who are not seen this video definitely will see this, so you can easily understand how you will recover your 3 loss with one trade. Three, control emotion. Those who are forex trader, they should not have any emotion. Basically, there is no place for emotion in forex. I say again, there is no place for emotion in forex market. You take it rate, you don't set up your SL or don't set up your TP, or you set up your SL but it's too much. You give your SL, market slowly moves towards your SL and you increase your SL amount more. Like you set up your SL 20 pips, market goes against you 10 pips. That means your SL is about to hit. The more market goes near your SL, the more slowly you increase your SL. For this, you can't control your emotion, or you face a loss but you won't set up your SL. Leave it over your luck. You think this will be happen which is in your luck, but this will not be happen which is in your luck. If your analysis is good thing will be happen. For that reason, you have to avoid your emotion totally. That's why set up your SL and TP with correct amount, but you can't close your trade ever. If profit comes, you can apply SL on your entry, but you can never close your trade. You can't close your trade until you get sufficient profit. You have to control your emotion. Allowing it after adding trade, try to forget about it. Check how many dollar of profit you get. You are not close your trade though you get profit about 50 pips. You want to close your trade when it comes near to 30 pips and then blame your luck. In this purpose, you are defeated by your emotion. I say again, in forex market, emotion is not good for anyone, and try to analyze it with mutual. 4. Readiness. The more you can maintain a distance from greediness, the more success you can gain. Greediness is not good for any business. In forex, the moment when you do this, you will face loss. In the same time, it will call destroy for you. Like you are working with a good strategy, or you may add in my paid signal group. By applying my signals, you get profit from your first one, you get profit from your second one, and you get profit from your third one trade. After seeing this happen, you can't control your emotion, so within a moment you increase your lot size double or triple. If it comes to you in your side, then good, but if it goes against you, unfortunately, including your previous 3 trades, you will face loss. Then it calls readiness, and including this, the another one is do not maintaining proper money management. Don't increase your lot size suddenly. The more your balance is increased, the more you go forward by avoiding your readiness. Then obviously one day you will realize proper money management, avoid emotion, and avoid your greediness how much help you in your forex career. 5. Avoid revenge trading. That means doing trade with jealousy. You do a trade right now, it face loss. You do another trade, it again face loss. Being angry, you are doing trade by increasing your lot size. Every time you face loss and do your trade by increasing your lot size. Being angry, you do bet for yourself. Think you deposit $500, every day you get profit $10, $20 or $50, but one day unfortunately you face loss, or because of any news, That's why being angry, you start your trade with a revenge trading, with your strategy or with others. This will create a bad reaction for you. That means you face a loss about $500. Being angry, you increase your lot size and you get profit $20. Then giving back $30, you do your trade by increasing your lot size. But unfortunately, you face a loss this time also. Like this, your balance is decreasing and you are finishing yourself. It's called revenge trading. This is very dangerous. I did also a mistake at my primary stage. Every forex trader does this mistake. Those who was doing this revenge trade, they face a loss definitely. So from today, those who want to be a good trader and professional trader, I want to tell you about revenge trade. Gradually you can understand, you come forward to your success, and the quality of a professional trader are also involved in you. 6. Be patient. If you open any trade, in that case we can't take patience. That means we are impatient about our trade. If we get 20 pips, we will try to close. If we get 50 pips, we will try to close it. We can't wait according to our specific aim. That's why we get small amount of profit. In one time we think we are getting profit, but unfortunately if one day the trade is go against you or hit the SL, the small profit which you have got according to this all will face loss. That's why you have to maintain specific amount of SL and TP, and also risk ratio 1:3 or 1:5, so that your one trade can recover your 2, 3 or 5 loss. This will grow up your total balance. Set up your SL and TP so that one day you will understand how much patience helps you in your forex career. 7. Be disciplined. We hear this from our school life. Be disciplined. If you want to start a business or want to build up your life or want to follow a successful man, then you must see they are very well disciplined. And because of this, they are today a successful man. Bill Gates, the builder of Alibaba's Jack Ma, and Steve Jobs. Seeing every successful man's life, you can find that they all maintain discipline very well. If I go to forex, then if you get proper entry, then you will do your trade, otherwise not. One thing if I want to tell, this is do some specific trade every day and do trade on specific strategy, and on which time you do your profit, on which pair you do profit, note this time and pair. And the last one is you take trade in every day, every week or every month. The output of this month, week or day, what types of loss or what types of profit you do, why you face loss or why you get benefit. If you can maintain a note of this or you make a diary, you promise you can't make this mistake after this week or after this trade, then you can realize how much improvement you do in your forex trading. If you want to build up your career on forex, then need to run after the strategy. Try to know or try to analyze the market at a specific time. Your free time or Saturday and Sunday, the off day of forex market, you can spend your time with family, with friends or with favorite person for your mind refreshment. Before ending this video, I want to say do trade in trusted broker, avoid market maker broker. I always prefer IC Market and Tickmill. In my channel there have lots of video about how to create an account, how to verify account and how to deposit in a real account. I create a playlist. After going to the playlist, you will get video about broker house. Those who are still beginner and can't verify your own account, I will request all of those during create an account in IC Market, use those address which is wrote on bank statement. I say again, don't use those address which is wrote on an ID card or passport. When you had in village, you may use one address, and after moved in town, you may use another address. That's why you may have two address. So you have to use bank statements address. Those who face difficult to verify their account in IC Market or other broker, they can talk with broker's live support. They obviously help you. If they want to utility bill, You can collect a utility bill which is in English, or you can edit it from any shop by paying money and then submit it. I will request all of you that create your account with those links which are given in video description. If you face any problem, you can text me. I obviously help you. Before ending this video, I want to say those top 7 tips shortly. First one is make good analysis. I said maintain a good strategy, use specific SLMTP and make good analysis. Second, maintain proper money management. Money management is heart of Forex. There have lots of video with that topic. And maintain risk ratio. 3. Avoid emotion. Control your emotion. After doing a trade, try to forget about. Use specific SLMTP and try to busy yourself with new chart. Avoid greediness. Increase lot size with very slowly. Don't break. Money management depends on signal or analysis. 5. Avoid rebound trading. Those days which are not good for you or you feel very pressure and tension, I will request you, please abstain yourself from trading. Don't do trade with tension. 6. Be patient. We all know the result of patience is very sweet. 7. Be disciplined. We are listening since our school life that discipline is really important each and every sector in our life. Every successful man needed that. Today's video, I try to understand some most important tips in Forex. I am strongly believe that those 7 tips build up your Forex career. Pray for us so that Forex BD can help you more. Goodbye. Tata.